I've turned $5,000 to over $35,000. I've even taken $1,000 and turned it to over $25,000. That's a 25x. I've created multiple strategies. Some strategies where I've only put in $10 a day dollar cost averaging. Others where I've dumped into 50K. I've also helped and taught other people know how to invest and trade crypto. But how much money do you need to start investing and trading crypto? And I'm also going to tell you one of the biggest crypto lies that I'm seeing on the internet that a lot of people are falling for to help you so that you don't make the same mistake. First, you got to decide how much money do you want to earn every single month. Do you want to earn 10K a month? Do you want to earn 100K a month? Or are you happy with just earning $1,000 a month? Or what if you're just happy with earning $100 a month? I'll give you a second to decide what that number is. Okay, now how much money do you actually want to allocate towards the market today that you feel comfortable with? And the reason why we want to know this number is because we're going to look at actual historical data, real facts that we know based on the amount of money you want to allocate toward the crypto market, whether you have to increase it to achieve your financial goal or even decrease it so that we're not guessing or that we're getting really close to what's actually achievable for you to make that crypto money. Now, step 2, pick the amount of money based on today that you feel comfortable with actually putting into the crypto market, because we're going to use real historical data to know whether you have to increase the amount you want to put in to achieve your financial goal or even decrease the amount of money you want to put in to reach your monthly crypto income goal. There's a lot of ways to make money in crypto, but one of the easiest ways to make money in crypto that requires the least amount of money is simply investing, which is dollar cost averaging. Now, if you dollar cost average into Bitcoin during the bear market, specifically between May 10th of 2022 to October 12th of 2023, you would have had over 0.2248 Bitcoin. And your profit would have been over 218%. You would have made almost $12,000 by only putting in $10 a day, and your total principal would have been a little bit north of $5,000. So if you're someone who's just looking to implement a very effortless investing strategy, you don't want to do much work, you just want to put your money there and see it go up, dollar cost averaging has been proven historically over and over again that it's a very profitable strategy. Just make sure you pick a crypto project that you know that over time is going to go up in value than the price you're buying it right now. Now, the only thing that sucks about this strategy, it requires you to have patience. So if you're someone who wants to make your profit right away, right now, then I suggest looking at swing trading. Imagine crypto investing and crypto day trading came together to make a baby. That baby would be called swing trading. Because with swing trading, you're not holding that crypto asset for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but you're also holding it for longer than 24 hours. So you can buy it on Monday and then sell it next week, or you can buy it 1 month and then sell it the month right after. So it's a good in between so that you can make profit a lot sooner. So how much money do you actually need if you want to swing trade? Well, you can start off for as little as $100. And let's say you're an amazing swing trader and in that 1 month you make 30%. Well, 30% of $100 is only $30. Well, that's not exactly Lambo and private jet money. That's why I said you have to pick how much money do you actually want to make per month. With swing trading, you can even decide how much you want to make per week. And you can even calculate based on current market right now how much money you would actually make. And you can use coinmarketcap.com to calculate approximately how much you can make per week and how much you can make per month. Let me show you. So you want to go to coinmarketcap.com. Specifically, you want to focus on Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is the measuring stick to know if you're doing good or if you need to change. It's the measuring stick to see if you should take your funds and just allocate it into Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin is outperforming you, then it's just better to leave your money in Bitcoin. But if you're outperforming Bitcoin, then you know you got it right. So what you want to focus on specifically is the 7-day. Now you can see right here in the past 7 days, Bitcoin is up 9%. And I also focus on the month, seeing at the month that Bitcoin is pretty much at 0%. So I always take whichever one is outperforming, which is the 9% Bitcoin, and then I take it and I add 2 to it, so it's about 11% because we want to outperform Bitcoin. And then I pick the amount of money that I want to allocate toward the crypto market. So let's say I want to put in $5,000. I take my $5,000 and I multiply it by 11%, which gives me $550. So I know if my goal is to make $500 to $600 a month swing trading, then hey, all I have to do is allocate $5,000. But if that's not my goal, then I know I have to put in more money to achieve that financial threshold that I want. But Bitcoin always fluctuates in price. Not every single week will Bitcoin do close to 10%. So I asked the all-knowing ChatGPT. On average, on a weekly base, Bitcoin can do between 5 to 20%. Always take the lower number because you don't want to overpromise yourself and then you underdeliver. And on a monthly basis, on average, Bitcoin can do anything between 20 to 50%. So take the amount of money you want to put into the market, multiply by that 20% or multiply by that 5%. And if you're happy with that amount, then that's how much you need. But I know some of you are sitting there looking at this video, oh, cool effects, I'm learning a lot of stuff, but I want to day trade. I want to make money every single day in my crypto wallet. And the thing about day trading is that 9 out of 10 all day traders lose money, but it doesn't matter because that's how I made my first 100K. So why can't you if that's what you want to do? So how much money would you need to day trade? Well, on average, asking the great ChatGPT, Bitcoin does 3 to 5% every single day, but altcoins do 5 to 10% every single day. So I created this amazing chart for you so that you can see, depending on how much money you want to day trade with, if you're making 5% profit or 10% profit every single day, how much you are going to make at the end of the month. And you can see only with $1,000 making 10% a day, you'll end up with almost $16,500 a month. And this is the absolute worst way to calculate how much money you can make per day trading, but it's what the average day trader does. That's one of the reasons why 9 out of 10 day traders lose money. They don't even take the time to actually calculate how successful their strategy is going to be, how much time is it going to show up per month, per year. So they have no idea of how much money they're actually going to make at the end of the month or at the end of the year. But the biggest game changer that I see between those that are struggling day trading and those that are succeeding is risk management. Once I learned risk management, it was a game changer for me. It's as if I leveled up and I suddenly became a Super Saiyan. I felt like I was Michael Jordan going into Game 6 in the final.
At the buzzer with a jump shot in the circle, and Chicago has knocked off the Cavs 101 to 100.
Guaranteed I was going to hit the game-winning shot. Guaranteed I was going to win the championship. And I guaranteed if you take the time to learn risk management, you are going to see your crypto account move higher and higher and higher. In one of my previous YouTube videos, I actually talked about the less I trade, the more money I made. In a few months till I started implementing database investments, database trade. But the moment I started implementing it, I saw huge change very quickly. And this point made a huge difference. It just really fast forwarded my success. And Alex Ramosi even talked about it. And if you like the sound, just hit the like button. And I will release a video talking about crypto strategies that I have used so that it can help you too. And in that video, I talked about what happened once I started making database trades and database investment. And on top of that, you can do what I'm doing right now, which is create an amazing crypto strategy, put in an AI bot so that regardless if I'm not in front of the computer, I can be out living my best life. AI bot is doing day trades for me, swing trades for me, and it's making me money. If you want to know more about that, the link is in the bio, free course. Remember at the beginning of this video when I said, I'm also going to tell you one of the biggest crypto lies that I'm seeing on the internet that a lot of people are falling for to help you so that you don't make the same mistake. You will see people on social media say, I started off with $1 or with $10 or $100 and now I have made quadrillion zillion dollars, and I did it by using leverage. When you're a new trader, do not, under zero circumstances, ever trade using leverage. This is my personal experience, but I have never ever in my life seen a brand new trader or even a trader with a few months of experience trade with leverage and consistently be profitable, because they always end up messing up and losing all their money. I do trade with leverage now because I've gained skills and experience, and you can too once you've gained some skills and experience. And I started using leverage successfully 6 or 7 months after I was consistently profitable and had a proven strategy. So everyone that I have taught, that I've mentored, that has become a successful trader, that has been able to 3x, 5x, 10x, 15x their investment, I always advise them and I taught them to start off with swing trading because it is easier. It is a lot less stressful. It is easier to learn, and you still make really great profit. And then from swing trading, then you can move your way up to day trading. If you want to learn more strategy about making profit with short-term trades, short-term technique, then just like this video and then comment the word short-term crypto trade and I'll make that video for you.